But for me, the problem, when I arrive here, I arrive very happy with my knowledge to take the products that we use in Europe and try to do that here. But it's not the same. The climate and our environment, it's not the same. We have the weather, the insect, and many things. But by chance, when we do studies about restoration, we do with chemical, physical, biology. Like this, I can take the paper for the products that we can find in Thailand and can read the technical part to find the good product for this country, and I think about also for this area. And now I use product specific for Thai and this area, but it's other product and contemporary product and not original product.